have bean sprouts, yellow chives, spring onion, dried scallop, egg noodles. You can buy from market. We have pure oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, and dark soy sauce to go with all of these. First, we have to cook the noodles for with boiling water here. Cook for like half a minute. Okay. Pick it up. Pour a little cool water. So the noodles don't continue to cook. Put like 3 tablespoons of soup oil. Medium fire. Why you use this smoke is like that is too hot. You can burn the noodle real quick without cooking it thoroughly. But this one here is perfect. Alright. See the new noodle a little bit? Okay. Kind of make them dry. Okay. Now we have some scallops. Stir fry it again. Make the flavor go into the noodle. These scallops are very sweet and have a nice texture. So remember, this scallop's already cooked. It's been steamed over 2 hours. Okay? We have some bean sprouts. Put in there. We'll make a pause again. This is very easy. Won't stick the wok, and it looks like a fritter, you know. It cooks the noodle. Now, a little sugar, so it'll get a little caramelized. Pepper, white pepper. Again, we turn it. The oyster, Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce, expensive. Don't need a whole lot. The scallops, that's all the flavoring already. Combine the light sauce and the soy sauce together. See? Just put it over there. Yeah. It's still very dry, the noodle, very gummy, a lot of texture. At the end, we bring the fire a little higher. We toss all the yellow chives, spring onion inside. The smoke start coming with the yellow chives and the bean flour and the spring onion. Smells wonderful. It's ready. Turn off the fire, bring it up. A lot of flavor. See? First class. See how long it's